And breaking news coming with star Kangana Ranaut staying very defiant even now. Remember, there's been a war of words between Kangana Ranaut and Maharashtra government ministers, but that's exploded now because the actress has now released a video. She's released this video on social media site and has said she's free to go anywhere in this country. Listen into what she has said. Very strong words being used against ministers who had attacked her.
संजय राउत जी, आपने मुझे कहा कि मैं एक हरामखोर लड़की हूं। आप एक सरकारी मुलाजिम, एक मंत्री, आप तो जानते ही होंगे कि इस देश में हर दिन नहीं हर घंटे कितनी लड़कियों के बलात्कार हो रहे हैं, कितनी लड़कियों का शोषण किया जा रहा है, उनकी बॉडीज काट के ऐसी डाल के फेंक दी जा रही है, उनकी काम की जगहों पे उनको गालियां दी जा रही है, उनका अपमान किया जा रहा है, उनके खुद के पति उनके कान, नाक, मुंह, कान, जबड़े तोड़ रहे हैं। और आपको पता है इसका जिम्मेदार कौन है? इसका जिम्मेदार है ये जो मानसिकता आपने, जिसका भोंडा प्रदर्शन पूरे समाज के सामने, पूरे देश के सामने किया है, वो मानसिकता इसकी जिम्मेदार है। और इस देश की बेटी आपको माफ नहीं करेगी संजय जी। आपने उन सब महिलाओं का शोषण करने वालों को सशक्तिकरण किया है, इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेंगी। जब आमिर खान जी ने कहा था मुझे इस देश में डर लगता है, तब उनको किसी ने हरामखोर नहीं कहा, या जब नसीरुद्दीन शाह जी ने कहा था तब उनको किसी ने हरामखोर नहीं कहा। जो मुंबई पुलिस की मैं तारीफ करते हुए नहीं थकती थी, आप देख लीजिए मेरे पुराने कोई भी इंटरव्यूज, आज जब वो पालघर की लिंचिंग में साधुओं को के सामने वो कुछ नहीं करते हैं, खड़े रहते हैं, या एक लाचार बात जैसे कि सुशांत के पिताजी उनकी एफआईआर नहीं लेते हैं, मेरी स्टेटमेंट नहीं लेते हैं, तो इस प्रशासन के चलते हुए अगर मैं उनकी निंदा करती हूं, ये मेरी अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी है, मैं उनकी निंदा करती हूं। संजय जी, मैं आपकी निंदा करती हूं, आप महाराष्ट्र नहीं हैं, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैंने महाराष्ट्र की निंदा की। और संजय जी, मैं 9 सितंबर को आ रही हूं, आपके लोग कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग मेरा जबड़ा तोड़ देंगे, आप लोग मुझे मार डालेंगे। आप लोग मुझे मारिए, क्यों? क्योंकि इस देश की जो मिट्टी है वो ऐसे ही खून से सींच कर इस देश की जो गरिमा है और अस्मिता के लिए न जाने कितने लोगों ने अपनी जान दी है, और हम भी देंगे संजय जी, हम भी देंगे, क्योंकि हमको भी वो कर्ज निभाना है। मिलते हैं 9 सितंबर को। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
So just a background, what has riled up Kangana Ranaut so strongly even now? Listen in to what Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had said on Friday.
ऐसी मुंबई पुलिस की तुलना उन्होंने जो की है, ऐसी हालत में उनको महाराष्ट्र में रहने का, मुंबई में रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। ऐसी मुंबई पुलिस की तुलना उन्होंने जो की है, ऐसी हालत में उनको महाराष्ट्र में रहने का, मुंबई में रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है।
All right, I'm joined by Divyesh Singh and also Vidya. First, over to you, Vidya. Very strong words by Kangana Ranaut, and clearly she's staying defiant. She's in fact trying to hit back, saying why use those objectionable words against him, and referring perhaps to Sanjay Raut there.
Well, the Shiv Sena and Sanjay Raut himself have actually said many times before that he had never used that word, but since Kangana still insists that it was Sanjay Raut who had used the word. So it has been an all-out war between the two, and we have been saying how Kangana has been quite vocal on the entire issue, and not just saying that it is because of the fact that it is Sushant Singh Rajput, as she has raised in this particular video as well. She has raised the issue of women's safety and girls being tortured, many issues that she is taking in before she highlights that, Sanjay Raut is wrong. So certainly Sanjay Raut himself has not been on a back foot either. He too has been, on Twitter, on social media, we have seen as to how he has been, giving rebuttals to what Kangana Ranaut has been saying. But it is certainly an all-out war between the two, with many people from the Bollywood supporting, not supporting Kangana. But the final show will certainly be on the 9th when Kangana really lands up, while the Shiv Sainiks have already said that they will not let her in.
Vidya, thank you so much for bringing us an update on that. I want to also get an update from Divyesh Singh, because Divyesh, she's going to arrive on the 9th. It's definitely going to be a showdown then in Mumbai. But to be honest and fair also to Kangana, some of the words objectionably used, even when Home Minister says you have no right to live in Mumbai, is only pushing the controversy further, because it could have ended long back.
Yeah, Pooja, this controversy seems to be growing now that statements are coming up from various politicians from Maharashtra, and Kangana has also responded to those comments some of which have been objectionable also, while some of them have been threatening in nature. That is what
Yes.
Kangana Ranaut has pointed out. Now that she said that I'll be arriving on 9th of September and try to do whatever you can. I have never insulted or said anything derogatory about Maharashtra, but it was regarding some issues, and she ends the note stating Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, which again she said she has in her stand shares her respect for Maharashtra as well. But now this issue seems to be growing out of proportion, while the war of words is on from both the sides, from politicians as well as Kangana Ranaut.
All right, so clearly one more word that continues, a very defiant Kangana Ranaut there. We'll see how this controversy pans out and how the reactions are going to come in over Mumbai. Stay on with me, Divyesh, because it is the big day today. Remember, it is the top story of